Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Schiller, and today I'm going to teach you about addition and subtraction problems. So we're really going to have to concentrate. Are you ready to do it? Awesome. Here is one of my friends. I call him Gus the Plus. And I always tell my kids he's like the good guy in math, because when you see the plus sign, when you see Gus the Plus, you're putting them together and figuring out how many you have in all. And the easiest way to do that is just to count and see how many you have in all together. I'll show you how to use him, but I want to show you his arch nemesis first. I call this guy Linus the Minus. And you use him in subtraction problems. When you see him, that tells your brain he takes away. So you start with sum, and then you see the subtraction sign, the minus symbol, or Linus the Minus, and that tells you that he's about to take some away. And you have to figure out how many you have left. So we're going to use him today too. Let's practice on our board. I'm going to write the symbol, and you have to shout out if it's adding or subtracting. Or you could say plus for adding or minus for subtracting. Are you ready? Adding! It's a plus sign. Gus the Plus. What about this one? You're right, subtraction. That means take away. Oh, you Linus the Minus. So naughty. It's not kind to take away things, is it? Now let's try those symbols with a math problem. I'm going to put numbers in and we're going to read it together. Let's read this one. 4 plus 1. Now sometimes in equations or math problems, we see this symbol. Do you know what this symbol means? Equals. Let's read it now. 4 plus 1 equals something. I see a plus sign. That tells my brain we're putting them together. There's lots of ways I can figure this out. One way, I could draw a picture. So, I like circles. Those are easy to draw. I'm going to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at what I'm adding. 4 plus 1. Now, to figure out 4 plus 1, I just have to count them all. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's my answer? 5. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But there's another way I can figure out this problem. I can use my fingers. I always have those. 4 plus 1. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the same answer. Or, if I want to be really fancy, I can use objects around my house. Does anybody like Skittles? All right, my problem is 4 plus 1. So I'm going to get 4 in this hand. Ah! Oh, no, I dropped one. I shouldn't eat that one. All right, let's hold them out so you can see. Do you see my 4 Skittles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm adding one more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! And the best part is when I use food, sometimes I like to eat it afterwards. But there's another kind of problem we're going to do. That was an addition problem. Now let's try subtraction. All right, here's a subtraction problem. Let's read it together. 6 minus 3. There's Linus the minus sign. Remember, that tells our brain to take away. 6 take away 3. And in subtraction problems, we see this sign too. Equals. Let's read it all. 6 minus 3 equals. I can do the same stuff. To figure this out, I can draw a picture. Circles are easy. Let's look at the first number, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, that's minus the minus, so I'm not adding anymore. Instead, I'm taking away. So I'm going to take away 3. 6, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So what's my answer? 3! Ta-da! But that's not the only way to solve it. Remember, I've got fingers. Let's start with 6. Now take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 3! I got the same answer. Or I could use an object around my house. How many do I start with to solve this problem? You're right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, the white ones are kind of hard to see. It was 6 minus 3. Let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 3. And I'm going to eat these ones. Okay, here's your job. Your job is to do these math problems at your house. But remember, some of these are adding and some of these are subtracting. Don't let them trick you. Pay attention to the symbol, okay?